Hi guys, my name is Jason from Mac School. Today I'm going to share with you part one of the video out of three part, which is how do we draw SR line using a certain indicator that we're going to use later. I'm going to share with you. And yeah, part one we're going to talk about SR, how do we derive? Part two we're going to talk about trends. Part three we're going to talk about entries. So we need these three things to do entries. So first part, let's go into it. How do we draw SR line? See, the way that we derive SR line is I would do lah, the way rather than just draw here, draw here, draw here, draw here using a naked eye, which I need to guess. Is that a good area? Is there a lot of rejection? How do I do that? How do I do this? So a bit confused if I were to use naked eye. So what I do is I'll mark last week area to see what the reaction this week area happens. I'm gonna share with you how it works. So this is last week. Sorry, this is last week. This is last week. So whatever happened gonna coming up next week, not too sure. I'm gonna show you last 2 week and how last week reacted with those lines. How do I draw? Rather than just use a naked eye, I would actually open up stochastic oscillator. I will put it percentage K 14, percentage D3, and slowing 5. Price field close close. This is the usual one that I use, and 90-10. And the levels I will use 90-10. 50 are for reference only. So what happened is I will get this. Ta-da! Did you see all the gunung-gunung kat sini? Cantik punya gunung. So what does it indicate? All these particular areas. It's actually an overbought and oversold of a price only mah. So if we know that there's an overbought here, I'll just mark it here. Why I want to mark at the overbought price and the highest price that the candle actually do? And yeah, this is EU. So why I want to do that is because price exhausted already. So my resistance price exhausted already over here, OB. So yeah, put there. My sabolo. That's all lah. Price, yeah, exhausted already mah. Cannot go earlier. Come back now. Yeah, that's my resistance. No? Yeah, there's one here that actually went up here, come back here again. So, yeah, actually. So, just show you. Ta-da! See, price goes up, come back down, price goes up, come back a bit, meaning that there's a small bunch of seller. This one subjective, like I would put. You don't want to put also on never mind one because these are minor areas already, I would say. These are the keys, and yeah, see, if, oh, Monday and Wednesday match were this is resistance and support. So if I were to mark on Monday, see how Wednesday reacted. Ta-da! This is the key. So this area for this week, we get 4 SR lines and see how this 4 SR line reacted towards this week itself. I think it's quite obvious already how the reaction is. See, last week, this week, yeah, why I stopped at last week, I don't mark last 2 week, mark last 3 week is because uh, those are not very strong, I would say. Those price tends to break or doesn't react much compared with last week one. Maybe the logic I would say is I can remember what happened yesterday. I can remember what happened last 3 days. I can remember what happened last week, but I don't think so. I can remember what happened last 2 week. My memories last until about what last week only. That's the best I can remember, unless some events happen, some big disaster happen. Only I can remember, right? Um, do you agree with me on that? No, I'm not too sure. This is my logic, the psychology of human behavior. That's it. I can remember until last week only. Then at the same time, when the price is moving front, let's say over these 4 days haven't happened. It start here, Monday. I would actually start marking it. Oh, there's a overbought here. I can mark. Oh, same area, so I just mark with another color. Let's say red color. Ta-da! Where's my red? Okay. Here you go, my red. Then come back down again. There's another one here. So I mark with another red. So see, on Tuesday itself, it actually reacted to my area that is being overlapped from last week SR and this Monday SR, and the price boom. So this is what I would say. Just mark as you go. There's one here, highest price. Just mark. There's another price here. Just mark here. Then there's another price here. As it goes, we mark. And yeah, see how the price reacted? I mark on Wednesday. The price actually bounced on Thursday. I mark on Friday, Thursday. See this low. The price actually bounced on Friday. Now, see the price comes back down again. The marking comes from Monday and Friday. So Monday area, Friday reacted. So yeah, that's it. So for this following week, just take out all the black colors one and focus on the red color one. That's it. See, there will be a new week coming up. Not too sure what will happen here. The lines that we want to use on this week AD is actually take out the black. Buy black, buy black, buy black, buy black. And as it goes, we use the red color line on you, meaning this weak area to see what happened. So, see, rejected. There's a support here. There's a resistance here. There's a support here. See what happened. No, this is how it moves. If I were to retain all the lines back, yeah, how do I get those lines back? Oops, I can't. Haha. All right, never mind. It's okay. So this is what it's all about. This is how we draw support resistance logically. Price exhaustion, there's one here. Price exhaustion, there's one here. Rather than just use naked eye, we are quite accurate lah, I would say, this way of drawing support resistance. So for the next video, I'm going to share with you trends. How do we derive trends after support resistance? Go practice, go see the past. This week, you draw already how the following week reacted. Another week, how the following week reacted. What you can do is just flip back. Oh, I draw here how this week reacted. Oh, I draw here how this week reacted. If you have simulator, that will be even better. Use the simulator. You don't have simulator? Ask me. I have. I can give it for you for free. So, all right. Thank you very much. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you in part 2.